What will win in a drag race between a Porsche 911 GT3 RS and a BMW M3 CS? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Buy, sell, Carwow. Let me tell you about this Porsche. It has a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat six engine that puts out 525 horsepower and 465 newton meters of torque. It drives the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It also has lots of funny features here on the steering wheel where I can control things such as the locking of the diff, the rebound and compression settings for the suspension at the front and the rear independently of one another. I can also alter the amount of stability control and traction control. You can play around with a hell of a lot with this car, but then you should be able to when you consider the price. It starts from £190,000, though this one with Weissach Pack and carbon ceramic brakes, £230,000. Oh, and good luck in getting an allocation because they are few and far between. I was lucky enough to get one though. If you want to find out more about that and my 911 GT3 RS, this isn't it. This is the press car. Click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below to watch the video. Anyway, let's find out about that M3 CS. Hello, Nicholas.
Hello, Matt. How are you doing?
I'm all right, thanks. How is your mean green machine?
The lean, mean, green fighting machine. Although I do feel like you've brought a gun to a fist fight with that car here today. I mean, that's a racing car. Come on, look at it.
Well, you said your car was lean. It's not.
True that. Yeah, this is it's quite portly. It's 1,765 kilos. But, I mean, hauling all that weight around, we have got a mighty powerful 3-litre straight six with 2 honking great turbos, which is 2 more than your car has. 550 horsepower, 650 newton meters of torque, 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. But probably the most important thing is the 4-wheel drive system, which is going to be a significant advantage, I think, off the line.
It might be more power, more weight, all-wheel drive, but this is a Porsche. The engine's slung out of the rear axle, so traction will be okay. And I might be down on power and up on aero, which will cause drag, but I'm definitely up on coolness. This is such a cool car, and it also sounds amazing, as I'll prove now by doing the Carwow sound check. Pop it into drive, left foot on the brake, pull both paddles, it'll let me rev it up. Let's have a listen to that BMW. It's not going to sound as good.
Now, before you say anything, Matt, I just want to say 2 things. 1, not a soft limiter in sight. You don't even have to do some tricksy, put it in neutral first gear, pull the paddles like you do in your car. And this is less than 116 grand. It's a smidge less, but it's a lot less than your car costs.
Yeah, my car might cost 230 grand, but I could sell it right now for about double that. I don't think that's the case so much with that car. Let's get on with the race. Oh, before we do, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow because it's easy and completely free. All you have to do is upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on it. Pick the highest offer, they'll come to your house, take the car away, put the money into your account, and yeah, simples. If you want to do that right now, click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen or follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me Carwow." We will help you sell your car. Now though, let's warm up our tyres, and what I've done is put my special Porsche torque vectoring system into maximum locking when under power and minimum locking under deceleration. See if that'll help me drift. Stability off, traction off. I'm also going to set up my suspension so it's soft at the front and hard at the rear. Yeah. Hello, Nicholas.
Yeah, that's £250,000 drifting.
I'll do. I love the adjustability of this thing. Go on, Nicholas, beat that.
Well, now that I know how much that car is worth, I'm not going to do anything quite so brave. I'm going to go a long way away from it.
I totally forgot about how much it's worth. Oh, there's a lot of smoke. Save some tyres. Oof. Here we go. Come on, Porsche.
3, 2, 1.
Got him off the line. Oh, it's close though. He's coming back. Well, Nick, that is 1-0 to you. Nice win there. This didn't hook up great for a GT3 RS, but it was all right, and I was ahead of you, then you just came past.
That was absolutely mega. Really, really happy with that result.
Okay, I need to win this one, and I'm going to try something. I'm going to press my DRS button to open the wing to reduce drag. Maybe that'll help.
3, 2, 1.
DRS, get the DRS in! Oh, come on, DRS!
Oh, look at that thing go! Can I reel him in?
DRS active!
I'm slowly gaining! I'm gaining on him!
Come on, make it work! Yes!
Had me on the line.
Do you know what happened there, Nick? That was so interesting. That time I used DRS. As I was going along, I was hitting the DRS button and you were gaining on me. But unlike in the first race where you came past, DRS reduced my drag and I won.
I wonder what was going on, because I got a great launch, but you were ahead of me and I was definitely gaining on you, and I thought, this is it, I'm going to have you again. But then that magic DRS button right at the end.
That's it though, 1 each. Best 2 out of 3. Okay, this is it, the decider.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, GT3 RS, DRS, DRS, DRS! Come on!
I think he's got me. No, no, he hasn't.
And he's starting to reel me in. Can I beat him to the quarter mile? Oh!
Yes!
I think that was just victory to me.
Surely not. I was convinced I'd reeled you in by the end.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. I think I just beat you by the smallest margin.
I don't know. That's the best launch I've got in this car. I think we have to go to an action replay.
I'm backing myself. Are you backing yourself?
Yeah, obviously. Of course I am.
Let's find out who's got it right. So then, what exactly happened? Well, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 11.1 seconds. However, the slow motion action replay reveals that the Porsche beat the BMW by a nose. Now we go have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their least sporty settings and automatic mode for the gearbox. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Got kicked out from this.
Oh no, that was the slowest kick down ever.
Race to the half mile. Let's get that DRS active. Is he going to reel me in?
I'm not going to have enough time to gain now. Come on.
No chance. Okay then, Nicholas, what happened there?
I guess the gearbox is in very, very relaxed, because that just took an age to kick down. I couldn't believe it. I thought something was broken. Not a hope.
Okay, let's take the gearbox out of the equation and do it in full attack mode and manual settings. Okay, let's have another rolling race. We're going to do it in second gear from 30 miles an hour-ish. 3, 2, 1, go. Got to get these shifts right. Oh, it's so close. I've got all the revs, DRS.
Am I going to get ahead? Yes!
DRS.
Yeah, I'm ahead now!
That was so cool. I was at the top of 5th gear there, like wringing out every last of the 9,000 RPM to just stay with you. But I think on the line, you were a fraction ahead.
That goes to show the usefulness of turbos, doesn't it? And masses of torque, because I was just riding that wave of torque at the top end.
I preferred the revs, just saying. Okay then, let's go 3rd gear from about 60-ish. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, revs. Come on.
turbo power. I've got him!
Rolling races, gotta hand them to you.
I was a bit worried in that one, to be honest, because fifth gear in this is long, and I thought, I need more revs or I need another gear. And I figured that was exactly the point you'd use your DRS as well, but it didn't matter. I definitely had you.
Yeah, I just had DRS on the whole time and it didn't matter. But I should win the next challenge. Okay, now we can have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with this GT3 RS, click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. If not, stay here. Right, what I'm going to do is put my torque vectoring under coast, so when I lift off, into maximum locking when I'm coasting. So it should help when I'm braking. I might just make the suspension a bit softer in the front as well. Okay, here comes the line.
He's gone backwards.
I had a rear wing that was going like that to help with the braking, and that is a massive difference. Both these cars are on carbon ceramic brakes, but this thing, Nick, you got destroyed, mate.
Absolutely obliterated in that, which, I mean, it's not surprising, is it?
Yeah, I mean, this car, obviously not designed for drag racing, really. It's designed for going around track where braking performance absolutely matters, and this just totally delivers. What a car. I love it. It's my favourite car in the world right now. Anyway, if you're thinking about buying a car, let's say you're after a BMW, I found a good deal on a new BMW with decent performance through CarWow. If you want to see what the car is and the saving, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. You can obviously buy your next car through CarWow and sell your current car through us as well. Simple. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you think is the best car in the world right now. Do you agree with me that it's this? Vote in the comments. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to CarWow to compare these cars' drag race times over the quarter mile to every other car we've ever drag raced on the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching.